In this tutorial, we will show you how to open trading account from your cabinet. First, log into your account. Please make sure your account has been verified. Once you are on your cabinet, in the tab menu, select Accounts. You can choose to open a demo or real account. If you want to open a real account, click Open a live account. CM Index offers various accounts, including bonus account, leverage account, no deposit bonus account, and raw ECN account. Choose your preference and select Continue. In this section, select your preferred leverage, currency and IBID. Then click on Continue. Your account confirmation details will be displayed, then click Continue. Your account has been successfully created. Here are the details about your trading account login credentials, including login ID number, server, leverage, currency, password, and investor password. You can view your account and download the MT4 trading platform in this section. Once you are on the account overview, you can request to change your trading and investor password. Furthermore, you also can request to change your account's leverage by clicking on Request New Leverage.
CM Index, the people's broker.